that was cool. I'm glad I got that. Yeah, it kind of snowed last night, so yeah, I got a mess, but I think I'm gonna do a breakdown video for y'all today. So if y'all want to stay tuned and watch me break something down, then look forward to seeing that, because that's what's coming up right after this. Well, good thing I got my star bits, because this pressure washer, it's one of the electric ones by that company, Karchers, something like that. Anyways, let's get to getting the tools out to tear this down. And I'll be back with you in a minute after I almost fall down. Alright, well, let me get back with you in a minute. I had to go get my little screwdriver set, because the big one wouldn't fit in the holes to get the screws out. So I'm gonna, that's from Bush Dog Scrapper, by the way. I haven't talked about him in a while, but that's an okay channel to check out. I recommend him. Yeah, go check out Bush Dog Scrapper, and let's find the bit and get to taking this part. So all my stuff here got mixed up a little bit. So let me see if I can find the right one. Let's try. Okay, got that bit out. Now let's see if we put it in the hole, if it matches up, which it does not. So let's go. It's not really a star bit, but let's see if I can get a star bit to take it out. Is that it? I don't know if this is the right bit. Yeah, it's the right bit. Come on. Okay, guys, the struggle is real. The screw should not be this difficult to take out with anything. Whoa, almost dropped it. That would have been catastrophic. Not really, but let me get my pliers and see if we can turn these out. She's slowly coming. Let's see. I should be able to turn it out by hand. If it would just sit still. Let's see if we turn it around. Alright, well, I'll be back when I get them unscrewed. Well, not bad news. Well, it's not bad news, but it's news. 4 of the screws wouldn't come out. The little shaft of the screwdriver won't fit in there. So that sounds healthy, right? Well, there's only one way to do it now. And that's adjustable camera so y'all can see. And I'm going to let y'all know right now, if you have them in, earbuds in, either pop them out or turn your volume down real low because it tends to get loud. I need to hit it. There went that side. Well, I finally broke it out of its shell. I got 6 of those screws to take out, which I can do now easily. And then there's 4 big bolts up here that I'm going to have to find the tool for that. But then I'll bring you back when the white shell is off, so stay tuned. Whoa, everybody. Cast aluminum and that's definitely copper. Wannabe Scrapper sent me these as a gift, and if you can see this metal piece right here, it helps with retracting and everything. Well, it doesn't do much of that anymore because that little metal piece broke inside there. So they either stay open or stay closed when I close them. Like, they still don't stay closed all the way, but it's okay. I got them and I can use them still. They still cut like a dream, so that's a plus. So anyways, Scrapping with Grandpa last Christmas sent me that. I was grateful for that. And that's a whole bit set. For those that don't know. But yeah, not much to this other than this cast aluminum and this heavy motor. Interesting. I'm not going to tear any more down right at the moment, you know, because it's self-explanatory. I mean, did I get skunked? Hold on. I don't know if y'all can see that, but is that aluminum windings? Oh, man. Goodness gracious. Can't even get a pressure washer with copper in it no more. I just noticed that out of the corner of my eye. I had to go in close for it. That's disappointing. Oh well. It'll still go in as a motor if I don't choose to tear it down and just take the aluminum windings and put them in with the aluminum. So I'll talk to y'all later. I hope you enjoyed this cringy video. Can't leave without saying hi and bye to Teddy. Now can we? Teddy, do you have anything to say? You want to say hi to all your friends on here? Teddy, say hello. Hello. I guess he doesn't really know that command because, frankly, I've never taught him. So I'll see you in the next one. Stay blessed, everybody. Have a blessed night.